would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror what you know she's like for.
Mr. Pom?
If I
Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you how I draw an awesome flamingo coming out of some crazy doodles. You are not going to see me drawing the flamingo because it was so handsome that I had to censor it.
Just kidding, the camera wasn't working.
So enjoy this sexy video. As you may have already noticed, I'm not in my studio, so let's wish me luck, my brother. Okay, that was fast. Now that I am in the studio with all my markers with me, let's just color those sexy doodles. Enjoy. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna color this doodle with pink and red tones to simulate that the doodles are part of the body of the flamingo. It's gonna be hard, but hope it turns out as I imagine it in my head.
the teardrops could be better. There'd be swimming pools by matter. Though the tide does is what makes you a heart. If I love you, was the promise? Would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror what you know she's like for.
Mr. Pom?
If I